This is a green crested lizard. It feeds on insects and other small invertebrates. It is commonly found living in trees, shrubs, and forests. These are flamingos. They are beautiful pink-colored water birds with long legs. Their pink color comes from the natural pigments found in the food they eat. A mother monkey is lovingly breastfeeding her young baby while holding it close in a peaceful, natural setting. This is a baby duck that is around 1 month old. A tiny duckling taking its first steps as it learns to walk. A gorilla is eating grass. Just watch the way it eats. It's absolutely hilarious. It is a powerful carnivorous animal that hunts deer, wild boars, and other animals. Tigers are mostly solitary animals and prefer to live and hunt alone. This is a desert camel, wandering through the harsh heat and difficult conditions in search of food for its baby.